Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to check Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device is original or fake. Well, checking if your phone is original is important to ensure that you are buying a real product and not a fake or imitation. Original phones usually have better quality, appropriate features, and reliable after-sales support. Okay, and then the way to check it is, first thing first, open settings on your device. Okay, after that, here you can scroll down and select about phone option. Next, you can copy one of the email number here. Okay, after copying, and then place your Chrome browser, and you can type email.info. Okay, and then here you can copy paste the email number. And then confirmation captcha here. After that, click check, and then here will below the information about your device if it's original or not fake. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to check Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device is original or fake. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.